everyone, I'm here again to cook for you. Today I have prepared this dough. We're gonna make Asian dumpling for today, and I have this minced meat, and I have a little bit stuck with parsley. So look at this. It's a parsley leaves which I harvest some from here. Look at this. It's so beautiful, my plant. I have to cut this parsley first. Okay. So I have to put it there first and cut this. Okay, I have to mix into the meat to make more delicious. Actually, you can put any kind of vegetables. Okay, a room with the meat, so I have to mix it. Okay, mix like this. I have to beat this egg. A little bit salt, then add a little bit into the meat, and you have a yummy dumpling. Then we have to mix like this. So look at this. It's very simple. When you have marinated first, it's more easy for you to prepare everything. Like shrimp, then just leave with the parsley and meat. Okay, so look at this. It's a very fresh one. Now I have to remove this one and coming back to here, and we gonna start. So this is the dumpling wrapper. Now we have to do it like this and fold it like this. It's so easy. You can just do the way you like. Now it's the dough, it's the dumpling, it's done. I have to, so look at this. It's so beautiful and good. Yum. And I just threw the water. Okay. Oops. I have my base soup, chicken soup. Okay. And I have to put it back like this. Then let it boil again in 5 minutes, then done. Now the dumpling it's done. I show you. It's a beautiful dumpling. So look at this. It's a very, very yummy and beautiful dumpling. I give you more to it. Okay. And we have to if you want a chili sauce, just put it in, or something spicy. And thanks for watching. Hope you like it, and see you again next videos. So look at this, so yummy soup dumpling. Bye.